This question, mathematics. Okay, so as fast as possible, as you can see on the diagram here, we have a triangle, and this is coming from trigonometry. In Votani constituent A, B, and C are polling stations as shown on the diagram below. So we have A, B, and C, which are polling station. Now question A, calculate angle BAC. Calculate the angle BAC. So how are we going to find the angle BAC? You need to discover which formula to use, if it's a sine law or it is a cosine law. Okay, so for a sine law, we use a sine law when we have been given two sides. When you have two sides and one corresponding angle, so one angle which is opposite to any of the two sides given. Okay, apart from that, we use sine law when I've been given two angles and one side. So when I've been given two angles and one side, any side in this case, so two angles and one side. So when I've been given these two, either two sides and one angle which is opposite to one of the sides, or two angles with any sides, we use the sine rule. Okay, so for a cosine rule, we use a cosine rule when I've been given all the three sides. We use the cosine rule when I've been given all the three sides. Then apart from that, we use the cosine law when I've been given two sides and non-included angle. So two sides and one angle which is a non-included angle, meaning that the angle which is not opposite to any of the sides. Okay, so in this case we have been given all the three sides, which simply mean that we are using the cosine rule. Okay, so the formula for cosine rule is the general formula if you're using the letters A, B, and C. So A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC, then cos A. Okay, so that is the formula for cosine rule. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm writing. We have A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC, then cos A. Now we are looking for the angle BAC, meaning that the letter at the middle there, which is this angle here, of course. So the formula actually is in favor of what you are looking for. So we start replacing what we have on the formula. Okay, so we have, in this case, A is opposite to this side. This is why the small letter A. B is opposite this side, and C is opposite this side. So the small letters are representing the sides, and the capital letter is representing the angle. Okay, so for side A, it is 37. So we have 37 squared, which is equals to side B, which is 43 squared, plus side C, which is also 43 squared. Okay, minus 2 times B, which is 43, times C, which is 43, then times cos A, meaning the angle which we are looking for. Okay, let me just confirm with my calculator. You should be able to reset your calculator. Okay, so to reset your calculator before using it, you press shift. Okay, to shift, then okay, is there something wrong? Okay, shift, then you place there, then you place 3 where it is written O. Okay, 3 and place equals 2 or 3 times, then it will reset on its own. Okay, so you can see now. So I've reset my calculator to avoid having wrong answers. Okay, so you start simplifying this one by one. start simplifying this one by one. So here we have 37 squared. So we have 37 squared. We have 1369, which is equals to 43 squared. Okay, so 43 squared is giving us 1849 plus the same 43, which is 1849, minus, you multiply these numbers here. So be careful when multiplying. You have to take note if you have put a negative here, meaning that you do not include this one as negative 2. Okay, so negative, then we have 2 times 43 times 43. So we have 2 times 43 times 43, which is equals to 3698. So 3698 cos A. We group like terms. Okay, we can add these first before we start grouping like terms. So if you add 1849 plus 1849, we will get, okay, we're getting 3698. So we have 1369, which is equals to 3698. 3698. Okay, minus 3698 again. So cos A. Then here we need to group like terms. So this one goes there. We have 1369 here. When this number crosses the equal sign, becomes you get the additive inverse of 3698, which is negative. In this case, the positive, when it goes this side, becomes a negative. So negative 3698 is equals to negative 3698 cos A. Do not leave out this negative. It's very important. It may give you the wrong answer. Okay, so be careful. So 1369 minus 3698, we are getting negative 2329, which is equals to negative 3698 cos A. Now what we want is our cos A. So what we are going to have there is the cos A. Okay, so we divide both sides by this number. We divide both sides by this number here, so that we can remain with the cos A. So divide by negative 3698, even here by negative 3698. This one goes. So we have cos A is equals to, you divide this number which we have by 3698. So I still have it, you can see it. I still have it on my calculator. I have not rubbed this number, so just go divide by negative 3698, and is giving me positive 0.6297. Okay, there's no need of getting the whole number. So this is the same as the cos. That's the same as the cos A is equals to 0.6297. Okay, then what you're going to do next is you cross the, because what we want is the angle A, not the cos A. So the cos goes this side and becomes the inverse. So we remain with A, and is equals to cos inverse. So inverse is represented by the negative, the power -1. Cos inverse is 0.6297. Okay, so what you are going to do, the answer which I already have here, okay, just for the sake of others, you place cos inverse. First you go on shift, okay, you place shift and you go where cos is to give you cos inverse. You can see the power -1 there. And now write this number which is here, 0.6297. okay, and place equals, it is giving us A is equals to 50.972 degrees. Now, answers in the degrees, according to the Zambian syllabus, they always demand you to write the answer correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so answer is equals to, that is angle A is equals to 1 decimal place, meaning that one number after the decimal point. So we have 50. Now, what happens if you want to leave one number, one decimal place? You get the 1 here, since it's more than 4, add to this 9, becomes a 10. Now you cannot write 10 there, write 0, and the 1 is given to the next number, and this becomes 51.0 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer for the angle BAC. So say, therefore, BAC is equals to 51.0 degrees. Okay. Now we go to the next question. Angle ACB. Angle ACB. This angle here. Okay, now if you study the diagram carefully, these two lines are equal, which simply means that this is an isosceles triangle. Okay. When these two lines are equal, meaning that even these two angles are equal. If here there is x degrees, even here there is also x degrees. So what we're going to do with this question here, okay, this was A Roman numeral 1, now Roman numeral 2. So we're going to add 51 plus x, just assume the x, plus another x is equals to the total sum of angles in a triangle, which is equals to 180. So this plus this, that is 2x. So 51 plus 2x is equals to, it is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. And then your group like terms, 51 goes there, 2x is equals to 180. 180, when 51 goes there, becomes a minus, the additive inverse of it. Then you say 2x is equals to 180 minus 51. Okay, so we're going to have 129. Okay, 180 minus 51. Going to have 129. You can see that, 129. Okay, so 129. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This one goes. X is equals to 129 divided by 2. Okay, so we're going to have 64.5. So that means that here there is 64.5, here there is also 64.5, and therefore the angle ACB is equals to 64.5. Now find the area, calculate the area of triangle ABC correct to 1 decimal place. Area of triangle ABC correct to 1 decimal place. So Roman numeral 2. Okay, so Roman numeral 2. Roman numeral, is it 2? 3. Roman numeral 3. Okay, want the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equals to 1 over 2AB sine C. I've used this one because this is not a right angled triangle, or we don't have the height. The other formula is area is equals to half BH. So we use this one when I've been given the height. So now because we don't have the height, then we cannot use this one. So the only choice we have is this formula. Okay, so we want the area of this triangle AB sine C. So area is equals to 1 over 2 times A, meaning side A. Now you need to make the formula. The angle which is supposed to be there is the one which you have calculated. Now here we have all the angles. Here there's 64.5, 64.5, and 51 here. So it's okay. You can make it in any way. So side A, small letter, remember said represent side. So A, side A, which is 37, times side B, which is 43, then times sine C, meaning that angle C. The angle C here we had found it is 64.5. So times sine 64.5. Then you simply multiply, you say raise everything by 1. Area is equals to multiply everything on top. So we have 1 times 37, which is 37, and 37 times 43 times sine 64. So times sine 64.5, which is giving us 1436. So area is equals to 1436.0131. Okay, the number continues. Just get the first 4 decimals over 1 times 2, which is 2. Area is equals to the answer which we have found, divide by 2. Okay, so we have area is equals to 718.0065. Now they are saying that you will need to leave this answer correct to 1 decimal place, meaning that 1 number after the decimal point. So area is equals to 718.0 kilometers squared. Okay, so that's how we do that question. Now question 4, Roman numeral 4, they want us to find the shortest distance from C to AB. Find the shortest distance from C to AB. So we are moving from C going to AB, meaning that this will be our shortest distance. Okay, that's the shortcut which you can use. Now, if you check, now this becomes our height. That becomes our height. There are two ways in which you can find this part. You can use, the SOHCAHTOA, but the easiest is by using the formula for area of the right angled triangle. Okay, so Roman numeral 4, you're going to use the formula for area is equals to 1 over 2BH. Why using this formula? The short distance becomes our height, which we're looking for, and where the short distance is going, that becomes our base. And remember from calculating the area, so we can find the height, which is h. So area we are defined in the first question as 718.0, which is equals to 1 over 2 times the base where the short distance is going, AB, which is 43, then times the h, which is the height, the one we want. So 718.0 is equals to, we have 1 times 43h, we have 43, you can make that one as a fraction if you want. So 1 times 43 times h, we have 43h over 2 times 1, which is 2. Raise this one as a fraction and cross multiply. So we have 43h is equals to 718. Okay, so 718 times 2. 718 times 2, we have 1436. Okay, then you divide by 43 divide by 43. This one goes. Hope you're following. H is equals to, now the answer which you have found there, divide by 43, and it becomes the 33.3956, okay, kilometers. So therefore the shortest distance is equals to 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 point, you get 1, add there, it becomes a 4 kilometers. Okay, the last part of this question, which was solving the equation. Solve the equation. So we want to solve the equation 3 open bracket t minus 5 minus 2 is equals to 1 plus t. So remove the brackets first. So 3 times t, that is 3t. So 3 is multiplying with these two numbers here. Okay, so 3 times t, 3t, 3 times negative 5, getting negative 15. And you have negative 2 here is equals to 1 plus t. Group the like terms. Okay, this one can be simplified. 3t negative 17, same signs you add. So this is the 15 plus 2, and you maintain the sign, which is a negative in this case. So is equals to 1 plus t. Group like terms. 3t is a like term of t, and it becomes a negative when it goes this side, which is equals to 1. 17 goes there, it becomes a positive 17. So when you subtract 3t minus t, we're getting 2t, which is equals to 18. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This one goes. We have t is equals to 2 into 18 gives you 9. So t is equals to 9. Thank you for watching. I will continue in the next video with the earth geometry and other questions. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time to watch my videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.